Welcome everyone to my channel. I am Thaemprezz, and if you're new here, welcome. I hope you stay. Make sure you stay and join the family. And for those who have been with me from the beginning and who already subscribed, thank you and welcome back. Now we are going to get into this look, and if you want to see this look, please stay tuned to my channel. Stay where you are and get into this ponytail. Well, it's not a ponytail, but it was a ponytail. I'm rambling. Let's get on with the video. So my hair is already detangled and I am just making it in sections. I'm doing the middle part first, where I'm able to put it in a little itty bitty ponytail so that I'm able to get everything all slicked and not puffy like onion bulb. If you missed my onion bulb video, you can see it in my playlist for natural hairstyles. I'm just brushing the front in submission as well and combining it with the bun that I made previously, and I'm going to do that for the back as well. And by the time I'm finished, everything will be flat and looking proper. I do this only because I suffer from shrinkage, and if I want to put my entire hair in a ponytail all in one go, it won't look as neat as how I would want it to look. And this is also from the beauty supply store, and this is called the Easy. This is the Easy 7 Professional, and this is from Harlem 125. They're already like pre-stretched. Just leave a small amount. We're gonna use that part later. So this piece of hair decoration, it's not only for style, but it's also for security, because remember, I only just use pins, and you know, this type of hair is a very loose type of hair, and you don't want to, you know, wiggle it at one time and you're gone east and you're gone west. So tie it up, sweetness. I love this elastic band method, using the bands from when you do your wigs. It's substitute for the wrap that people usually use, and it's reusable. Point blank period. Alright, so see, slick and everything. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope I see you next time in my next video. And you know, continue to stay tuned and see when I post a video, and turn your notifications on. And if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the button down below, and you know, check out my playlist. It's in the description bar, and you'll see more of the Thaemprezz. And if you not get tired of me, don't forget to turn on the notification bar. And yeah, love you always, and I will see you next time.